Hello everyone, thank you for joining me here once again at Float Arts by Elsa. Thank you so much for joining me. Happy New Year to all of you out there. I hope it's a healthy, prosperous, and just a great new year for everyone out there, myself included. I can't wait to get started, have new things coming up. But first, before we get started, I want to show you the dry results from my previous painting. And that painting was for my niece, Hannah. She was born, she's beautiful, everything went well. My sister's doing fine. And I want to show you the dry result. And I just need to resin this one. This is going to go in her nursery. So take a look at this. Look how pretty that is. And you see how it shines. I'm sure she will love this one. So that is for baby Hannah. All right, so moving right along, I'm excited. I'm going to be working on something a little more abstract this time around. So I have a 16 by 20 inch canvas on my table, which we will go to. And I want to try minimal colors. So I'm going to show you the colors once we get down on the canvas. And we'll get started. Meet me down at the canvas. Okay, everyone, so here we are, and this is a 16 by 20 inch canvas. I am putting my gloves on. I'm gonna tell you what we're gonna be doing right now. So I am gonna be flooding with titanium white by Loft. My colors are minimal, like I said, only using about 3 colors or 4. So I have a Prussian blue. Look how beautiful that color is. Check that out. Gorgeous color. So that I am using Pearl Cream by Arteza, 24 karat gold by DecoArt. And I am going to be sprinkling a little bit of pearl white because I want this blue to lighten up as I create an abstract design on my canvas. So we're going to go ahead and begin. We're going to flood the canvas and we'll be right back. Okay, so our canvas has been flooded. I'm gonna go ahead and torch it out a little bit. Just get these bubbles out of here. There are a lot of bubbles because I just mixed my paint. So I do see a lot of bubbles coming up. Okay. So I am gonna begin with the Prussian blue. And there's no rhyme or reason to this. I just want to get the paint on and then we'll worry about blowing it out. Okay, that's about enough. So the Prussian blue is down. Now I'm going to add a little bit of the pearl white. And that I'm going to bring right in here. So some pearl white. Just like that. Now I am adding gold, 24 karat gold. And the gold, I want to be strategic with it. So kind of something like that. And then I want to add some pearl cream. pearl cream. Just like that. Okay. I don't even know how this is gonna turn out, but this is what I want to do. You know, I'm coming back in with some more blue right in here. I do want this blue to show up in certain sections. So blue. Okay, so those are my colors. We're gonna go ahead and torch this out. And I don't know how I'm even gonna blow this out, but we'll go ahead and start. So I think I'm gonna go here first. All right, so here we go. Oh wow, this is awesome. I love this. I love this. Yep. Look at the reaction. This is gorgeous. Beautiful. So I am going to, I lost a lot of the gold right in here. So what I'm gonna do is I am gonna add some gold here, just like that. And I am going to add some pearl cream. Now bring this back down and see. All right, let's go ahead. Okay, that works for me. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm just gonna bring this and wrap it around, just like that. So it was always supposed to be there, just like that. Gorgeous. I love it. So now I am happy with it. Anything else I want to? I don't want to do anything else. I think this works for me. Oh, beautiful. I'm gonna go ahead, torch it out a little bit. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead, clean the edges. I'll bring you in for a close-up. Okay, everyone, so here she is, and she's a beauty, something completely different. Love the splash of colors. Love how that gold just took over this painting. I am super happy. Let's go in and take a look at the cell reaction, and look at the burst of cells just popping out throughout this entire painting. There is so much motion. It is absolutely a beautiful piece. Love the burst of blues, the dark Prussian blue. Check out those cells. A lot of webbing as well. You can see right in there. I'm sorry about the glare from my lights. Let me see if I can move it out of the way. Okay, there. Better. Check out the pockets of burst of dark colors coming through here. Look at those cells encircling one another with like a band of the dark Prussian blue. Absolutely love this one. Something completely different from me. Tell me if you like this. Look at this. I can't stop looking at it. It's so gorgeous. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click the notification bell. That way you're notified anytime I have new content. Please leave a comment. Tell me what you think about this. I love how it branches out. You can see it kind of interlocks, one wave this way and another that way. It's just beautiful. Tell me what you think. Leave a comment in the comment section below. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for joining me. Bye.